Deep within the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra lives a creature of extraordinary intelligence and grace, the orangutan. These great apes with their long arms and flowing red hair are a sight to behold. They are the true lords of the lush rainforests, swinging effortlessly through the canopy. These forests are their homes, providing everything they need to survive. Orangutans are perfectly adapted to life in the trees. They rarely descend to the forest floor, preferring the safety and abundance of the canopy. Here they find an abundance of food and shelter. The rainforest is their lifeline, and they are intricately connected to its delicate balance. The forests echo with the calls of orangutans, a language all their own. These calls, a mixture of grunts, screams and kiss squeaks, are used for a variety of purposes. They communicate their location, warn of danger, and strengthen bonds between mothers and their young. The rainforest without the orangutans' haunting calls would be a far quieter place. However, the future of these magnificent creatures hangs in the balance. Their rainforest home is under threat, and the orangutans are paying the price. We must act now to protect them and ensure their survival for generations to come. The orangutan is a striking creature, immediately recognizable by its vibrant orange-red hair. This shaggy coat, often tinged with brown, isn't just for show. It serves as camouflage in the dappled sunlight of the forest canopy and helps regulate their body temperature. Their long arms, reaching up to 7 feet in span, are another distinctive feature. These powerful limbs are perfectly adapted for brachiation, the specialized form of locomotion that allows them to swing effortlessly from branch to branch. Their hands, with their long curved fingers and opposable thumbs, are equally adept at gripping branches and manipulating objects. Orangutans are the largest arboreal mammals on Earth, with males weighing up to 200 pounds. Their size and weight are further supported by their strong legs and prehensile feet, which act like a second pair of hands. This unique combination of physical adaptations makes them perfectly suited for life in the trees. Beneath their striking exterior lies a surprising gentleness. Orangutans are generally solitary creatures, but their interactions are often characterized by a quiet dignity and surprising playfulness. Their expressive faces, capable of conveying a range of emotions, hint at a complex inner life. The rainforest provides a bountiful table for the orangutan, a true fruitarian at heart. Figs, their favorite treat, are savored with gusto. They relish the sweet flesh, discarding the seeds with a practiced flick of the wrist. Their diet isn't limited to figs alone, however. The orangutan's menu is as diverse as the rainforest itself. They feast on a variety of fruits, from the sweet nectar of durian to the juicy pulp of mangoes. Leaves, bark and flowers also supplement their diet, providing essential nutrients. They are opportunistic eaters, their choices dictated by the season and availability. Their foraging expeditions are a sight to behold. They move slowly and deliberately through the canopy, their keen eyesight scanning the branches for ripe fruit. Their strong jaws and teeth are capable of cracking open even the toughest nuts and seeds, accessing the hidden treasures within. Water, essential for their survival, is obtained from fruits and from tree hollows after rainfall. They drink by dipping their hands into the water and bringing it to their mouths, or by using leaves as sponges to soak up the precious liquid. Their survival is intricately linked to the health of the rainforest and its ability to provide them with the sustenance they need. Section 4. Solitary lives, a different kind of society. Unlike their gregarious chimpanzee cousins, orangutans are largely solitary creatures. Their social structure is unique among great apes, with adult males often living alone and females establishing territories that overlap with those of their offspring. This solitary nature doesn't equate to a lack of social complexity, however. Adult males, easily recognizable by their large cheek pads and throat pouches, are fiercely territorial. Their booming calls, amplified by their throat pouches, serve as warnings to rivals and advertisements to potential mates. These calls can be heard for miles through the dense rainforest, demarcating their territory. Females, smaller than males and lacking the distinctive cheek pads, are devoted mothers. They share a strong bond with their young, nursing them for up to 6 years and teaching them the skills they need to survive in the rainforest. This extended period of maternal care is crucial for the development of young orangutans. Although encounters between adults are often fleeting, they are not without significance. Brief associations, particularly between mothers and their offspring, and between adult males and females during mating season, play an important role in maintaining social cohesion within orangutan populations. Section 5. Intelligence in the branches, masters of tool use. The rainforest is a challenging environment, but the orangutan navigates it with remarkable intelligence. They are highly intelligent creatures, capable of complex problem-solving and demonstrating remarkable ingenuity in their use of tools. Their cognitive abilities rival those of chimpanzees, their closest relatives. One of the most striking examples of their tool use is their ability to fashion sticks into tools for extracting insects and honey from tree cavities. They select the appropriate stick, carefully stripping it of leaves and twigs, and then use it to probe the cavity, extracting the tasty morsels within. This behavior is not innate, but learned through observation and practice. Their intelligence is also evident in their ability to build elaborate nests each night. These nests, constructed from branches and leaves, provide a comfortable and safe platform for sleep high above the forest floor. They demonstrate an understanding of structural integrity and a remarkable ability to adapt to their environment. The use of large leaves as umbrellas during rainstorms and as gloves to handle spiny fruits are further testaments to their intelligence and adaptability. Their ability to innovate and solve problems using tools is a hallmark of their cognitive sophistication and a key to their survival in the rainforest. Chapter 6. The social architects. While orangutans are often seen as solitary creatures, their social structures and behaviors reveal a complex and fascinating social world. Unlike many other primates, orangutans do not live in large groups. Instead, they have a semi-solitary lifestyle with loose social networks that revolve around food availability and reproductive cycles. Female orangutans in particular exhibit a unique form of social behavior. They maintain close bonds with their offspring, nurturing and teaching them for up to 8 years. During this time, young orangutans learn crucial survival skills such as foraging, nest building and tool use by observing and imitating their mothers. This extended period of maternal care is one of the longest among mammals and is essential for the young orangutan's development. Males, on the other hand, lead more solitary lives, only coming into contact with females during the mating season. However, they play a significant role in the social structure through their vocalizations. The long call of a male orangutan can be heard echoing through the rainforest, serving as a territorial marker and a means of attracting potential mates. These calls can travel several kilometers and are a testament to the orangutan's impressive vocal abilities. In addition to these social behaviors, orangutans also exhibit a form of cultural transmission. Different populations of orangutans have been observed using distinct tools and foraging techniques, suggesting that these behaviors are passed down through generations. This cultural diversity highlights the adaptability and intelligence of orangutans as they continuously learn and innovate to thrive in their ever-changing environment. Through these intricate social structures and behaviors, orangutans demonstrate a level of sophistication that rivals that of their more social relatives. Their ability to balance a semi-solitary lifestyle with complex social interactions is a testament to their adaptability and cognitive prowess. As we continue to study and understand these magnificent creatures, we uncover more about the rich tapestry of life in the lush rainforests they call home. Chapter 7. Guardians of the Canopy. As we marvel at the intricate social structures and behaviors of orangutans, it becomes increasingly clear that these magnificent creatures are facing unprecedented challenges in the wild. The lush rainforests that orangutans call home are rapidly disappearing due to deforestation, driven by logging, palm oil plantations, and human encroachment. This habitat loss has a devastating impact on orangutan populations, pushing them closer to the brink of extinction. Conservationists around the world are working tirelessly to protect and preserve these vital ecosystems. Organizations are implementing various strategies, from establishing protected areas to promoting sustainable land use practices. Efforts are also being made to rehabilitate and release rescued orangutans back into the wild. These initiatives are crucial in giving orangutans a fighting chance to survive and thrive. However, the battle is far from over. Poaching and illegal wildlife trade pose additional threats to orangutans, Despite legal protections, these intelligent primates are still hunted for the pet trade and traditional medicine. Raising awareness and educating local communities about the importance of orangutans in the ecosystem is essential in combating these threats. One of the most heartening aspects of orangutan conservation is the role of local communities. Indigenous people who have coexisted with these primates for generations are becoming key allies in conservation efforts. By involving them in sustainable practices and ecotourism, we can create a model where both humans and orangutans benefit. Moreover, scientific research continues to play a pivotal role in conservation. By studying orangutan behavior, genetics, and health, researchers can develop more effective conservation strategies. The collaboration between scientists, conservationists, and local communities is a beacon of hope for the future of orangutans. In the face of adversity, the resilience of orangutans and the dedication of those working to protect them inspire us all. As we continue our journey to understand and safeguard these incredible beings, we are reminded of the intricate web of life that connects us all. The fate of orangutans is intertwined with the health of the rainforest and ultimately the well-being of our planet. Through concerted efforts and unwavering commitment, we can ensure that the song of the orangutan will continue to echo through the rainforest for generations to come. Together, we can be the guardians of the canopy, protecting these extraordinary creatures and the vibrant world they inhabit. Chapter 8. Echoes of the Forest. The lush rainforests, once a sanctuary for countless species, now face a grave threat: deforestation. For the orangutans, this means the loss of their homes, their food sources, and their very way of life. The towering trees that once provided shelter and sustenance are being felled at an alarming rate, leaving behind a barren landscape that can no longer support the rich biodiversity it once did. As the chainsaws roar and the forests fall, the orangutans are forced to venture into unfamiliar territories, often coming into conflict with human settlements. This encroachment leads to tragic consequences, with many orangutans being injured or killed in their desperate search for food and safety. However, amidst this devastation, there is hope. Conservationists and environmental organizations are working tirelessly to combat deforestation and promote sustainable practices. By advocating for responsible land use policies and supporting reforestation projects, they aim to restore the balance between human needs and the health of the ecosystem. One of the most promising approaches is the establishment of wildlife corridors. These corridors connect fragmented habitats, allowing orangutans and other species to move freely and safely between different areas of the forest. This not only helps to maintain genetic diversity, but also ensures that these animals can access the resources they need to survive. Community involvement is also crucial in this battle. Local communities who have lived in harmony with the rainforest for generations are being empowered to take an active role in conservation efforts. Through education and sustainable livelihood programs, they are becoming stewards of the land, protecting it for future generations. Sustainable practices such as eco-friendly agriculture and responsible logging are being promoted to reduce the impact on the environment. By choosing products that are certified as sustainable, consumers can also play a part in this effort, supporting businesses that prioritize the health of the planet. The fight against deforestation is a daunting one, but it is a fight that we must not abandon. The future of the orangutans, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on our ability to protect and preserve these vital ecosystems. Every tree that is saved, every hectare of forest that is restored, brings us one step closer to a world where humans and wildlife can coexist in harmony. As we listen to the echoes of the forest, let us remember the importance of our actions. The choices we make today will determine the legacy we leave for tomorrow. Together we can ensure that the rainforests remain a vibrant and thriving home for orangutans and countless other species. We can be the guardians of the canopy, and the echoes of the forest will sing of our commitment and care.